immediate family.
पिता पिता father,
Mata, mata, mother.
बेटा बेटा son,
Betty, Betty, daughter. Vai, brother.
बहन बहन sister,
Pati, Pati, husband.
पत्नी पत्नी,
Parents and siblings of parents. Dada, dada, paternal grandfather. Dadi, dadi, paternal grandmother. Nana, nana, maternal grandfather. Nani, nani, maternal grandmother. Kaka, chacha, paternal uncle, younger brother of father. Tai, tai, paternal aunt, older sister of father or wife of father's older brother. Mama, mama, maternal uncle, brother of mother. Mami, mami, maternal aunt, wife of mother's brother. Mousa, mousa, maternal uncle, husband of mother's sister. Mousi, mousi, maternal aunt, sister of mother. Fuffa, fuffa, paternal uncle, husband of father's sister. Bua, bua, paternal aunt, sister of father. Children of siblings. Batia, batia, nephew, brother's son. Batiji, batiji, niece, brother's daughter. Banja, banja, nephew, sister's son. Banji, banji, niece, sister's daughter. Extended family, related through marriage. Sasura, sasur, father-in-law. Sasa, sas, mother-in-law. Devara, deva, brother-in-law, husband's younger brother. Jetta, jeth, brother-in-law, husband's older brother. Sala, sala, brother-in-law, wife's brother. Nanada, nanad, sister-in-law, husband's sister. Sally, Sally, sister-in-law, wife's sister. Bahu, Bahu, daughter-in-law.
दामाद damad son-in-law,
Grandchildren. Pota, Pota, grandson, son's son or daughter's son, often paternal. Poti, Poti, granddaughter, son's daughter or daughter's daughter, often paternal. Nati, Nati, grandson, daughter's son, often maternal. Natina, Natin, granddaughter, daughter's daughter, often maternal. Other relationships.
परिवार परिवार family, रिश्तेदार रिश्तेदार relative.
Let me know if you have any other specific family relationships you'd like translated.